Here's how to make a cursive D. We'll start with the capital. Starting up at the very top, going down at a slant, do a little loop at the bottom, curve back up and over. Down, loop, up and over. Without the tracing lines, it looks like this. Down, loop, up and over. Down, loop, up and over. Sometimes when people write the capital letter D, they also might look like this. You do very similar with down, loop, up, and sometimes they do another loop at the top. So you could go down, loop, up, and then loop through. That's up to you. Doing the lowercase d, starting at the middle dotted line, you're going to make just like the letter A, but instead of stopping at the middle line, you're going to go all the way back up to the top. So down, around, all the way up, down and give it a tail. Starting at the dotted line, you go down and around, all the way up, all the way down and a tail. Down, around, all the way up, down and tail. Here's what it looks like without it. Down, all the way up, down and a tail. Down, all the way up, down and a tail. Down, up, down, tail.